Hi everyone, it's Genene, and this is your 10-minute yoga dynamic stretching sequence for basketball players. For more in-depth videos on building lower leg and hip strength, check out the videos on my website at www.yogawithgenene.com. Let's come to hands and knees. Line up the front of your wrist creases with the front of your mat, and then tuck your toes. Lift your knees off the floor. Press the tops of your thighs back. Heels do not need to reach to the ground. Keep your spine in neutral. Firm your right leg. Inhale, lift your right leg in the air. Keep that right big toe pointing straight down. And then exhale, draw the right knee into the chest. Really pull the low belly up and in. And then again, inhale. Leg lifting a little higher and exhale. Draw the knee into the chest. And this time, look in between your hands and step your foot right between your hands. Bring your left knee down. And then lift up on your pelvic floor. If you don't, you fall over. Which means outer hips, draw them in towards each other. Take your tailbone and your pubic bone in towards each other. Lift that pelvic floor. Keep your hands here for right now. Now, inhale, reach your arms up to the sky, and we're going to move this. And then exhale, hands down to the ground. Walk that right foot out, come onto the heel, and bow forwards. Inhale, lift up, and exhale, bow forwards. And now again, place that right foot flat. We'll do that again. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Feel the stretch across that left hip flexor. If you want it deeper into the back, sink further. And then exhale, hands to the floor. Walk that right foot out. Exhale, bow. Inhale, lengthen the spine a lot. And exhale, bow. And then inhale, your right leg back to meet your left. Exhale, hands to the floor. Inhale, up and back. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Inhale, lift your left leg in the air. Again, the leg bone turns in, so that big toe pointing down towards the floor. And then exhale, knee to chest. Again, inhale, lift the leg. Exhale, knee to chest. Step the left foot right between the hands. Maybe you grab the ankle if you need to. Right knee comes down. And then again, remember you're being very strong in your pelvic floor so that you can inhale, lift your arms up overhead, Anjaneyasana. Maybe you're sinking a little bit further. Exhale, hands down to the floor. Walk that left foot forward. Spread the toes. Exhale, bow forwards. Inhale, extend through your spine. Get even longer, and then exhale, bow. Place that left foot flat. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. This one you could go even deeper maybe. The knee can go past the ankle here because the back knee is on the ground. And then exhale, hands down to the floor. Walk that left foot forward. Exhale, bow. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bow. Keep lifting that kneecap right here up. And then bring that left leg back to meet the right. Try that downward facing dog again. See how your legs are feeling. Lift your sitting bones high to the sky and pull the chest through. Just the chest, not the arms. Arm bones lifting. And then exhale, come down onto your knees. Now, we're going to sit down, which you're almost there. Okay, just like this. You can always do this lying down if this is too challenging, because you're going to cross your right ankle over your left thigh. So right ankle, left thigh, just like that. Now, if you just fall over, you need to be on the ground because you want to lift those low back muscles up and in, spread the toes like so. And then inhale that right knee in towards the midline. So from here, it looks like this. Maybe you can see better. So you're lifting it up, inhale, and then exhale, bring it away from you. Inhale up and exhale away from you. And now go to the other side. Cross left ankle over right thigh. Hands to the floor. Lift the low back muscles up and in. Now, you're going to, again, bring that knee, this left knee, in towards the body. And exhale, bring it away from the body. You're squeezing this glute, the left glute, to open up the knee. And then inhale. And then exhale. And cross the leg, come up to standing. Quick little balance and thigh stretch. Baby dancer. Stand on your left leg and then bend your right knee. Foot goes behind you. Right hand grabs right foot and then lift up through the hip bone points. Push the foot into the hand and inhale. Maybe you lift the left arm overhead, maybe not. And then exhale, release. Other side. You just bend that back leg behind you. And then push the foot into the hand. Maybe lift the arm. And exhale, release. More balancing. Stand on your right leg. Draw your left knee into your chest. See? Balance. Find something that's not moving. Ready? Now, release your hands. Bow forwards, leg comes behind you, warrior three. You can keep your hands on your hips. You can bring your hands behind you, or you can bring your arms overhead. One more, just like that. Inhale, knee to chest. Exhale, warrior three, and then come to standing. That's your fun balance for the day. Other side. Right knee goes into chest. And then on an exhale, warrior three, Virabhadrasana 3. Bow forward, straighten. You got to really work on turning that right thigh bone in. And then again. So you notice that that right big toe, when you bow forwards, let's try it. Virabhadrasana 3. The right big toe stays right, pointing straight down to the earth. And then back up and lower down. One last stretch, Virasana. So come onto your knees. You're going to be sitting in between your heels. You might not make it. Let's see. But you want to separate. There's a two-headed calf muscle right here. And you want to separate it. So you're going to draw your thumb from the center of the calf on both sides, straight down. But make sure your feet are a little wider than your hips first, and then draw the lines straight down. Inner heels are touching the outer hips. Spread the toes. And then you can stay here, or you can lie down on the floor if you like. But the knees have to stay on the mat. You might not be able to do this. It doesn't matter. You're just trying to get a stretch to come up. You should know how to come up. Start on my forearms, and then I press up. My thighs, you notice, are straight ahead. So if you're a guy, your knees might be together. And that is your yoga dynamic stretching warm-up for basketball players. Let me know how that worked for you. Hopefully you feel ready to play and also got a little bit of a challenge there, let me know in the comments below. Namaste.